How's it going, gents? Here we are today on a Simpson Desert Shakedown. We've got the WRs, 1WR, 2WR, 3WR, and Nerbson's KTM 1190. So we are testing for our Simpson Desert trip in like a month or two. So we've all got filled up different fuel systems. That's basically what we're testing to see. Does our carrying of 30 to 40 or 50 litres of fuel for Nerb work in deep soft sand? So we're testing in Little Desert, riding 100 kilometres of soft sand from Little Desert to the South Australian border. We're just riding out there now, taking some scenic back roads. So it's going to be 3 days. Tomorrow we'll hit the sand, we'll fill everything up, all the fuel, all the water. That's what we're testing, so let's get out there. Taking some enjoyable roads to Little Desert. We've got a whole day to get out there, and it's only like 500 k's away, so taking some scenic routes. Just hate sitting on the freeway. Boring. Enjoying the stand-ups on the 2 vid. I have for the Simpson, I'm going to be taking like 8 litres of water, which is more than double what I took last time. Brendan's taken double 8. He's taking like 15 litres. He's a psycho. He's got to go swimming. And the WRs are taking between 30 and 35 litres of fuel. People have said it takes about 32, 33 litres to cross, so we'll see. Nerb's taking about 50 because the big 1190 obviously uses a lot more fuel. But we are testing out those loads this weekend, riding in sand, just making sure everything's good, because like it's pretty hardcore when the first time you load up your bike that much and then hit sand, and it's just like, oh my god, it's a completely different ball game. Because I found out fuel bladders were so hard to strap to the bike. That's why I'm not running fuel bladders anymore. They leak, they fall on your chain. It's a good idea to do a shakedown of all your stuff, and it just gives Brendan and Nick a chance to hit sand, prolonged sand, like 100 k's of sand. They've only really done a couple k's here and there, because there's not many tracks where it's like 100 plus k's of sand, other than places like Little Desert. Anyone can do a couple k's of sand, but it's doing like 100 in a day. That's like, it teaches how to be consistent. A slight detour into this state park. This is called Enfield State Park, an old mining area, gold mine area back in the 1800s. And it's got this really weird thing in the middle of this state park. It's coming up right ahead. It's a giant cleared out section on the top of a hill. I have no idea why it's all cleared. It just looks really weird, especially from Google Maps. I saw it in Google Maps, so I said, I'm going to come out there. Top of Enfield State Park. Stopping, drinking some water, cruising on. Just, all about Instagram. That's all we do. That's all we do. Cool. Nick Peas, yep. Brendan Instagrams.
Piss for the day.
Gotta get those angles, man.
No,
42 psi pressure in the tires. Trying to save. Whoa! That was like icy sand, man. That's bull dust. That was bull dust. I look back and it's the biggest cloud ever, man. I thought that was that wasn't just sand, man. I think I hate bull dust.
I could go some pressure dropping.
We're about to go for road for like 200 k's.
It's just one of those things that makes the biggest difference.
I'm on 42 and I'm fine.
Huh?
I'm on 42 and I'm fine.
How much does your bike weigh, Tom?
Freaking so much. It's because you're fat. That's the reason. It's because you're fat. It's your fatness. 42 psi. That is the correct enduro pressures. Gotta save the knobbies, man. We've got thousands of kilometers to do. Where are we going? We're going up. Old gold mining area. There's mills and mines and all sorts of stuff in here. This is Jubilee Mine. Very popular mine. Because it was kind of far from Ballarat, they had a lot of freaking buildings and shit to like service their mining operations and stuff. I don't know anything about history. Don't watch Riding with Tom for history lesson. ride it for terrible motorcycle riding. Back in the 1800s, hundreds of people living in here, mining every day. Great, man. Good old days. Bloody men, chainsaw. No, I don't even think they had chainsaws. No, I don't think they would have had a chainsaw in the 1800s. But bloody giant saws and manpower running on beer. Big beards. I can't really grow a very good beard, so I probably wouldn't be let in the club. Ah, jump! Hell yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! Riding dirt bikes? No, pretty sure there's no dirt bikes in the 1800s. We had to have horses. Wheelies on horses, that'd be cool. Can you do a wheelie on a horse? Can a horse run on its back legs? Hell no, unless it was like a super fast horse. It's so much power that it could wheelie. Horse, I know they can rear up, but can they accelerate? Can they rear up and then accelerate like a wheelie? Snake Valley. Park up, go to the pub, get a pub meal right about now. Hey bud. Hey. You want food, don't you?
I'll have a Palmer and a
just
pint
want food
of
snacks.
Draft, please.
And a pint of draft?
A pint of Carlton
Pub
Draft,
dog.
that'd be lovely.
Get a Northie.
Great Northern, eh?
Yeah, mate.
You love us now, don't you, pub
Thank you
dog?
so much.
You love us now. Why? Because the food's out. How's it looking, Nick? Good Palmer?
Pretty good.
Good Palmer. Bren dogs?
Tastes lovely, mate. Tastes
Older
good.
Bren dogs?
Oh.
Steak sandwich? Steak
Looks good.
sandwich. Let's do it. Why did you feed the cocky, Nick? Now you've pissed him off. He's so angry.
Nick's the type of kid that feeds the seagulls at the beach.
Yeah, it's like, why is there only seagulls around now? I'm trying to find this real gnarly hill that we did a couple years ago, close to this way, and I'm hoping this is it. No idea where we're going. Just cruising through track, doing wheelies and sheesh, and sheesh. Ooh, hello. We are going up. Yes. We're going up, baby. Let's go. Oh, she looks gnarls up there. We're going right there. Nice rocky track, man. Lads. Tricky. Pick your line right. No, won't have any dramas up that. Piece of cake. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gets trickier though. Dude, MX bike just stacked. How's Neb going? Neb's going fine up that. Don't know about this next bit though. I don't know about that right hand side. Looks a little steppy up. The kid on the MX bike just...
Yeah, the MX bikes are having trouble.
Yeah. Don't fall down there. I needed to get over there. Great, now it's going to be impossible to freaking pick up, man. Just lazy goon shower, mate. Jesus Christ. Cool, lookout tower. Rad. I'm gonna go do some looking out. Nerv, you're an engineer. Sign off on how much flex.
No, thanks. Fuck, that actually doesn't look great.
This is so sketchy. Oh my god.
That moves a lot.
We're up here in the lookout, trying to break stuff. I've got a feeling this track's gonna get a little gnarly. Oh well, that's just good. Good track, good track. Oh, clears the double. Motocross champion, riding with Tom. Just jumped 4 feet. Yes, this is a good track. Couple of little step downs. Always good getting down tracks. Sometimes you can't get up a hill, but you can always skull drag down. Get the lads coming down this. This is good. Good track.
Didn't fall.
Keep going. Clanging of the tin cups. Good work, lads. How good are we with the gnarly downhill? Oh geez, Brendan's had a bit of a bin. Looks all right though. Woo! Oh yeah, little. That's Mount Buffalo bit of death right there. Yeah, right. About to go fill up all our petrol and water and everything to cross the desert. Get some drinks for tonight. Maybe a steak. I've got a little titanium frying pan in my backpack, so I can cook up a steak on the campfire. Yeah, hitting sand already. 42 PSI running.
Thing's heavy.
Just did a couple k's of sand. Setting up, this is where we're going to camp tonight. Right on the river. It's weird that it's a little desert, but it's a river. Hey Nick.
Hey.
Gonna jump in the river, drink some tinnies, enjoy a lovely afternoon. Well deserved after some sand and 500 k's of off-road. Tinnies, river, some lads having a blast. This is weird that it's like little desert and there's just like a shit ton of people water skiing and stuff.
I have to tell people we were in the desert.
You were in the desert and we did a lot of swimming. This doesn't make sense.
We just had a beautiful river.
Having a swim with the boys, the kids. It's all right, guys, because we've got Dad up there. He's life-saving today.
Watch me dive.
Watch this, Dad. Watch this. Hey, Nerv, watch this. All right, gents, just set up camp after a swim. Nick's crappy POV tent. And the two Mac packs running the tent today. Thought I had to bring a bit more weight, so I thought I'd bring the tent, not the bivvy. So
Oh my god, it's like 200 grams heavier.
that's a big deal. It's way more than that. Brendan's been using it for a while, and I thought that is a good tent. So I'll see how it goes. Give you a full report tomorrow morning. Oh, frick the smoke. Titanium pot. Got my Scotch fillet ready to go.
Hey Tom,
Cooking in.
water.
Yeah, all right.
Hey Tom, I want to be in I've got water. Would you like
The
some?
goon bag. I hope it pops. Jesus Christ, getting water everywhere. It's meant to be precious.
Get out of it.
Scotch fillet, titanium pot, frying pan. Let's go.
Long. Awesome stuff.
That's how the steak's done, boys.
Not sponsored.
not
sponsored. Nah, not sponsored.
Perfect.